ॐ नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Srimahans, Mahans, Tanidar, Kotari, visitors, viewers, sitting with us in all the Sarvanya Pitas all over the world, and all the Kayakalpa program participants, Nityananda Yogam participants, Nityananda University course students, participants, everyone. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today's revelation, let me reveal it and then I'll enter into the details. Boons for life manifest from consciousness, which starts feeling grateful for already what is showered. Listen, I am giving you the biology of karma. How something positive can be given birth, or how you give birth to negative. Listen carefully. All of us are given something and denied something. Nobody can say, I am not given anything. You are still alive, breathing. So that proves life is given to you. Naturally, even if you are richest man in the world, there are some things which is not given to you. If you cultivate consciously a consciousness, the inner space which feels grateful for whatever is showered, your biology is ready to give birth to great boons of life. Understand? Person who cherishes what is showered in the life feels supported, loved, cared, and goes on deciding to support, love, care. Understand? This space is heaven. I tell you, all I need for me to run my whole day is just consciously feeling joyful. Those devotees smile, that's all. See, when I open the eyes from samadhi and see the two-way, when I see all these people, that's all is my food. Nothing else is needed. No other food is needed. Understand? The biology you carry, inner space you carry, gives birth to your reality. If you carry the inner space, being grateful for whatever is showered in your life, you decide to go on showering with others. Understand, I tell you? Whoever enjoys by contributing are gods, angels. Angels may not be the right word. What I wanted to convey is devatas. The Sanskrit word devatas. Maybe the rough translation in English can be gods and goddesses, not angels. Because devatas are much higher than angels. The concept of angels. Listen carefully. If you feel exploited, frustrated, you will go on vomiting poison, destroying, pulling down. Spreading hatred, vomiting poison. You will be so deluded. You will know you are straight lying. And you will believe it is perfectly all right. That is the worst delusion. That's the worst delusion. Understand? If you see joyful people, by adding more consciousness to them, powerful cognitions to them, and you make them blissful, and you are happy about that, you are already living enlightenment. You are manifesting enlightenment. Understand? Every time you add joy to people due to powerful cognition, not cheap, vengeful, even demons give temporary joy. Go and destroy somebody, that gives a kind of a kick. That is demonic joy. I am not talking about that. Understand? Destroy something, abuse something. You don't need much great knowledge. You just vomit the poison. That's all. Because thousands around the world, I should say thousands of billions, are waiting for poison. One thing, every day in satsang I am going on talking about powerful cognitions. So I am attracting millions and millions of people who are waiting for powerful cognitions towards me. Devils, demons, rakshasas, rakshasis. Every day they go on vomiting poison. Then they also start attracting the people who are waiting for that poison. understand it is all about the frequency, the vibration for which you are waiting. Universe scatters that to you. If you are waiting for frustration, negativity, Kalabhairava sends that. If you are waiting for enlightenment, positivity, powerful cognitions, Kalabhairava sends you that. I tell you, if you taste the Sattvika Ananda, means the bliss, powerfulness you enjoy when you empower others. For example, every day, all these deep secrets, the sacred secrets, powerful truths, I go on reveal. Every day people apply that in their life and they feel empowered, joyful. When I see their smile, I feel the joy of existence. And I feel empowered. I feel I should teach the truths more and more. I tell you, hard work gets you more hard work. Happy life gets you more happy life. Money gets more money. Integrity gets more integrity. Laziness gets more laziness. Abuse gets more abuse. Joy gets more joy. Bliss gets more bliss. Sadness gets more sadness. What you work for, you get that. I tell you, listen carefully. I really tell you. Make integrity as a strategy for your life. You will attract such wonderful integrated people around you. Even if the non-integrated people come, you will know them by just by their smell, and they will not be able to harm you. You know how to protect yourself, save yourself, and continue your service. See, I'm Kailasa. I cannot close the doors for anybody. Actually, Kailasa does not have doors. It's open for all. Paramashiva knows how to protect himself from all demons, devils. He gives opportunity, possibility for all. But that doesn't mean you can do some harm to him. No, you can't. He knows how to protect himself. I tell you. When powerful cognitions are implemented, it always manifests as extreme love and integrity. Understand? My love does not mean I will support your non integrity, cheating, fraudulent patterns. My love will empower your integrity and make you love more integrity and make you love more integrated people. It's an integrity chain. Understand? I have seen the joy of integrity I have seen the joy of love. I have seen the power of love, how it can make you so healthy. Listen carefully. The space consciousness which feels grateful for what is showered gets more showered. The space feels constantly frustrated about what is denied gets more denied. Bandha or moksha is your inner space. Freedom or liberation is your inner space. The extremely powerful space of Kailasa. Go on living it, manifesting it. All negativity, not only they will disappear, they will be irrelevant to your life. I really want you to know, understand whether I am talking about energy, powerfulness, enlightenment, when you implement, it will be an intense, sincere love. Love for the consciousness. Love for the existence. Understand? The source of life is all about going on contributing. Unfortunately, when you develop anger, life negative patterns, anywhere you ask to be alive, you start vomiting poison, anger. In the office, if your boss asks you to work, anger. In the school, if your teacher asks you to study, anger. Anywhere you are asked to be alive, active, living, life positive, involved, anger. I can see many times. Many people, when they are in the Sangha, for contributing, enriching, they will not be active. They will be so lazy and do all kinds of strategy to cheat, hiding under the bunker bed, inside the restroom, run away and into the restroom and lock yourself to avoid yoga. They will try to do everything to be life negative. So much of strategy. But when they get a chance to abuse, God, how much energy, from where they get energy? Sometimes I used to feel actually, see, for me, joy is deities. If you just give me few deities and few clothes and jewels to dress up, whole day I can be sitting and doing that. Is so much of energy, joy. Just I can sit with my deities, my puja, or just in samadhi. Just these simple things. Whole day I can just read few books and analyze and share the powerful cognitions. Whole day I can meet my sincere devotees who wanted to get enlightened and go on initiating them to manifest powers. I don't know how many of you are seeing. I sincerely recommend all of you to see the autobiography of the avatar, the website, and the slides getting loaded. Every day they are loading thousands and thousands, hundreds and hundreds of slides. See them. If you see, you will understand the amount of work I have done in last 20 years. Understand the amount of energy I had and I am having to do this work just because of only one reason. My joy is sattvic joy. When I give powerful cognition and make people happy, I am feeling happy. The source of my joy is joy. The bliss of all the people. That is the source of my bliss. That is why I am constantly blissful. Somebody or other all over the world, I am constantly empowering and making them blissful. Understand? Make your life, your bliss, based on others' bliss. That's it. If others' bliss is source of your bliss, you are now eternal bliss. Because you will going on be making people happy and blissful, and you will be blissful. To become blissful, this is the best strategy. Make others blissful. Go on, make everyone blissful. And I also have one more request. I request all of you to do the Vakyartha Sadas on Sri Nityananda Paramashivam Facebook profile for various reasons. Still, we do not know who all are using it, who all have access to it, who are all manipulating it. We are doing our own investigation. It's all going on. But all of you do Vakyartha Sadas in that page, comment section itself. After satsang, the gist is uploaded in Sri Nityananda Paramashivam Facebook profile. All of you do Vakyartha Sadas in the comment section itself. For various reasons, I am recommending this. Sri Nityananda Paramashivam profile itself. You can all do the Vakyartha Sadas in comment section. I'll also try to answer your questions. This is for various reasons. Understand? the most powerful, sacred truths, when it is lived, it explodes as intense love. Love for people, love for yourself, love for others. Understand? People who try to infuse poison, violence, vengeance, anger, frustration, feeling exploited, victim mood, all that in you will be very sweet, but they'll just destroy, demolition, go away. It's like a driver of the bulldozer smiling does not mean he's doing good to your home. He's bulldozing it. And he smiles at you and says, "Hi, how are you? Wow." And he's bulldozing. It's like cops give the ticket for $200 and say, "Have a good day, have a nice day." After $200 ticket, they tell you, "Have a nice day." Understand? Anyone wants to achieve whether power manifestation or enlightenment, sincere work on your consciousness is required. Consistent, persistent. Work on your consciousness. I strongly recommend all of you every day try to read the Bhagavad Gita commentary I wrote. See, the whole Hinduism is based on Vedagamas. Essence of Vedagamas is Upanishads, Brahma Sutra, and Bhagavad Gita. Prasthanatraya, we call it. All acharyas, all sampradayas write their own commentary for this three book. But this three book is the core. Everyone accepts that non-controversially. Whether you are a Shaivite or Vaishnavite, Shakta or Gaumara, Yogi, Vedanta, Siddhanta, Agamanta, whatever sampradaya you may be, all accept authority of the Vedagamas and all accept non-controversially this three book, Prasthanatrayam, Upanishads, Brahma Sutra, Bhagavad Gita. This three book is accepted as the core book or I should say the core principle of Hinduism. So, for that core, you can give your own commentary and interpretation. Hinduism gives you complete freedom. Each acharya, somebody can give commentary as per Advaita, somebody can give commentary as per Dvaita, somebody can give commentary as per Visishtadvaita, somebody can give commentary as per Suddhadvaita. Any of the philosophies you can give commentary. You can have your own interpretation. That's not a problem. Hinduism gives complete freedom. But core is Veda Agamas. Foundation is Veda Agamas. Understand? I have commented on all the three. Bhagavad Gita, a complete volume is already released. And the Upanishads and Brahma Sutras will be released soon. It's getting edited. Read my commentary on Bhagavad Gita every day. Persistently, consistently, and share with all. The ebook is available freely. You can go to nityanandapedia.org, search for Bhagavad Gita. My Bhagavad Gita commentary in all languages is available freely. You can download and share. Understand? I want all the Rajavidya Gurukul, Yuvarajas and Yuvaranis to start downloading this book. See, keep the Bhagavad Gita in front of you. Read through the third eye. You will have the whole thing downloaded into you. All the Yuvarajas and Yuvaranis will do this power manifestation today. I initiate all of you into this power. Keep the physical copy book in front of you. See the book through the third eye and start reading. You will all start reading. Not only you will be able to read without opening the book, you will be able to just download the whole thing. So today, all the Yuvarajas and Yuvaranis will master Bhagavad Gita. Downloading Bhagavad Gita. Keep the book in front of you. Without opening it, start reading through third eye. I tell you, within next 72 hours, you will master the whole book. And in next few days, I'll make the Yuvarajas and Yuvaranis to do the demonstration, power demonstration of this power which I am initiating them now. See, always my kids have that feeling, so joyful for what they are showered, so I can shower more. See, feeling joyful for what is showered is keeping yourself like that. More can be showered. Always feeling frustrated for what you are not given is keeping yourself like that. Even if it is showered, it just goes out. The powerful cognition for today Gratitude gets you more and more blessings and boons. Gratitude gets you more and more blessings and boons. It showers you with health. I tell you, gratitude, even physically, it alters the structure of your brain, not just physiological, psychological transformation, even physically, it changes the structure of your brain. Physically, you become more alive, awakened. Actually, I feel there is so much to tell. I am talking only the things which make sense in your language. Because if I talk the truth as it is, human beings are so deluded. When I spoke about E equal to not mc square, that theory is not complete. There's next level. The deluded people were only trying to use that to harass me, not to seek the truth. So I wait till all the great truths make sense to your logic and dilute, and then reveal it. So much work to tell the truth as it is. That is what is shocking. So much work to tell the truth as it is. Understand one thing. Consciousness need to be literally boiled. Only then it becomes Siddha. Siddha means in Sanskrit two meaning: ripe, boiled, and enlightened. Ripe and boiled and enlightened. Consciousness need to be boiled with Paramashiva's pure space. Then not only you become enlightened, you become ripe. Kayakalpa Yoga is the way to ripe your consciousness. Even Parivrajaka Yatra, we have crossed more than 1,000 applications for Parivrajaka Yatra. I sincerely recommend all the people who applied, please start walking at least 10 kilometers a day as a training for yourself. In reality, when you start the Parivrajaka Yatra, you may be walking morning 10 kilometers and evening 10 kilometers, at least 10 kilometers. So start walking at least 10 kilometer every day as a training. One more thing, I also strongly recommend you do Nityananda Yoga every day and build yourself strong for the Parivrajaka Yatra. Those who want to sign up and join for Parivrajaka Yatra, please fill the form available at kailasa.org satsang and Kayakalpa Yoga next batch. If you want to sign up, the same link kailasa.org/satsang. Both programs are free. Padayatra, Parivrajak Yatra, only men can attend. Kayakalpa Yoga, men, women, both, all genders can attend. And I also have one more good news. I am going to be doing a special kind of a satsang every day only for enrolled participants so that I can reveal all the great truths of Kailasa as it is. It will not be public relayed, only for enrolled students. The enrollment will be free, but only for the interested seekers. I am going to be doing one more satsang every day. So there is going to be 2 satsang. Nitya satsang, Vishesha satsang. The Nitya satsang will be for all. All the general spiritual truths I will reveal there. Powerful cognitions. There will be one more Vishesha satsang. Only for the enrolled people, where I am going to reveal all the great truths like beings of Kailasa, how Kailasa looks, feels, the beings from the other space, and the great truths. I don't want that to go for the open public because unnecessarily people will be using it, misusing it, misquoting. All this harassment. The Vishesha Satsang. Soon I will announce the timing. For the Vishesha Satsang, it will be like a subject, specific subject every day. It may even be 3 hours session. Because directly I will be giving a powerful cognition, great revelations, and then power manifestation. I myself will be guiding you until you manifest powers. It will be like a directly living with me. We are installing in all the ashrams the Divya Sarira. Equipments needed for 7D hologram. So in all those ashrams, this Vishesha Satsang will be available. It will be free, but only for the interested seekers. Only for the seekers. Where I can reveal all the revelations of Kailasa as it is without restriction. I don't need to wait, or I don't need to feel, oh God, how these guys will manipulate, misinterpret. Because you see, these manipulators and misinterpreters, they know they are lying. They just try to intimidate us. If they do that, they think I'll stop speaking. I'll reduce speaking. No. I'm going to now increase speaking. I'll just make sure the right people listen. That's all. I know the strategy. I can make sure that only right people, seekers, listen. I cannot deny myself for seekers for the sake of, because these pokers are trying to intimidate us. No. I'll continue to make myself available to seekers in every way. I'll not be bothered about the pokers. I have to revive the whole Hinduism, and I will do it. I will do it. I will revive it. I will revive Hinduism. Sanatana Hindu Dharma. The Vishesha Satsangs will be more like an intimate talks. It will be literally like a Kailash Courtyard sessions, where I give the powerful cognition, give the powers you are supposed to manifest, an instruction, and you start manifesting it. I do have one more beautiful gift for all of you today. Major powers. That power manifestation session I conducted in the Kailash Courtyard, which I personally conducted, is now compiled in the form of slides, and today it is ready. I am giving it to all of you as a gift. Understand? Every instruction I gave means Shastra Pramana and Apta Pramana, and the procedure, system, set of the instruction I did in the Kailash Courtyard power manifestation sessions. It's completely compiled. The first part, actually it is 7-part compilation. The first part is ready today. I am sharing it with all of you. It is getting uploaded in HDH Nityananda Paramashivam page. I don't know whether it's uploaded in profile. It is getting uploaded in page. So please understand, this is the one of the beautiful gift. All of you read, understand, start internalizing. I will make you manifest each of these powers in Vishesha Satsang. Understand? The Vishesha Satsang, special Satsang. It will be focusing on power manifestation. Like Kailash Courtyard session, this PowerPoint presentation of Kailash Courtyard sessions, which is already conducted, I think 60 or 90 days I conducted the sessions. Whatever is conducted is coming out as 7 set. The first set is today released. The other sets are getting organized and transcribed, and that will also come to you. Please internalize this and share this with the world. And it will be shortly available in Paramahamsa Nityananda profile also. I think in the page it is already uploaded or getting uploaded. In profile also it will be shortly uploaded. Today and tomorrow, I want all of you to focus on internalizing all these power manifestation slides. It's beautifully presented. For each power, Shastra Pramana, Apta Pramana, Atma Pramana, Sakshi Pramana, and how to do it, clearly presented. So internalize them and share with them, share with the world. Share and celebrate, enrich and enjoy. because in next few days I wanted to start all of you to manifest Akashic records. The great truths of Kalabhairava. So now, today's powerful cognition, gratitude, makes you manifest the best things of Paramashiva. Sit with intense gratitude for everything showered on you by Paramashiva, including your life. Connect with him in oneness. Let's manifest Paramashiva. Sit straight, close your eyes, chant the Mahavagya, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, intensely, and connect with Paramashiva. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, 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 Om
नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ 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 नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्। With this, I bless you all. Listen, it's already uploaded in HTH Nityananda Paramashivam page. The Kailash Courtyard Power Manifestation manual is uploaded. Please read, internalize, and share. This will bring so much good to you. This is the essence of Vedagamas. The power manifestation signs from Kailasa directly. And I'll also continue to share the further sets of the instruction. This will work for all the people who are already initiated. If you are initiated, continue to declare your integrity. See, declaring your integrity to master means not abusing Guru or Sangha or Linga. Understand? If you don't abuse the Guru who initiated you, for example, if Ramakrishna has initiated you in some technique, powerful cognition, as long as you don't abuse Ramakrishna, that initiation will work for you. If Osho has given you a powerful cognition, as long as you don't abuse Osho, that powerful cognition will work for you. So any Guru who initiated you into powerful cognition, as long as you don't abuse them, that initiation continues to be alive. If you have not abused Nityananda, Nityananda Sangha, or Nityanandeshwara Linga, means that our temples, our Sampradaya, if you have not abused me or my Sangha and Sampradaya, be very clear, all the initiations I have given you will be alive. You can continue to manifest all the powers. So, only if you have abused, but if you really want to complete and declare completion and take the vow, you will not abuse again and declare your integrity, I am ready to accept. And you can start getting reinitiated. You can come to the Vishesha Diksha, next Vishesha Diksha, 22nd and 23rd November, and get reinitiation. I am open. I keep my doors open for all. So now, bit.ly/manifest powers, shortcut to courtyard session. Slides are available. It's already available in HDH Nityananda Paramashivam page. You can go and download. I have one important announcement to share with you all. We are working on uniting all the nations for world peace. So tomorrow I am going to share how we are working on uniting the nations for world peace and betterment of the world. So be here for tomorrow's satsang without missing to know how we are working on uniting the nations. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.